Are you looking for a property and are too bored to visit them physically? Well, you have arrived at the right destination. This is Property Cloud, जहाँ पे you can do virtual tours of your property and then shortlist them and then finally book your dream project. Isn't it very simple? Let me simplify it a little more for you. But before that, let me tell you where we are today. Today I am here at Chandak Greenery. Now, before I tell you more about the project, let me tell you what is the whole idea of calling it Greenery. Well, because from one side you get the city views and from one side you get the national park view. That's the green part and the city is the airy part, of course. Now, there's a lot that I need to tell you about the project, the towers, the amenities and also the location. All you need to do is stay tuned on Property Cloud. Let's start now. The project is located on the Western Express Highway. On the Western Express Highway, matlab it's hardly 2 minutes from the Magathane metro station and only 8 to 10 minutes from the Borivali railway station. और जो आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं, ये है पूरा का पूरा land parcel, which is of approximately 2.3 acres. And now let me tell you a little bit of detail about it. Let's take a look. Now the project will have 2 basements plus ground plus 2 floors of retail. The 3rd to 10th floor is going to be commercial. The 11th floor is going to be of amenities, and then the 12th to 45th floor is going to be of residential towers. Usme se until the 36th floor you will get scattered units, and right above this begin the balcony if you can see them. Enjoy the luxury of Greenery apartments with these balcony view apartments right over here. You will also get scattered 2 and 2 plus 2 Jodi apartments in the scattered units. Now let's take a closer look at the amenities. Now, as you can see, this is the amenities floor. There's a banquet hall, an AV room, kids play area, gymnasium, and also water bodies, multi-purpose lawn, kids play area in the outside, a poolside cafe, and the grand entrance lobby. And of course, they also do have an open gymnasium which is on the rooftop. There is also a yoga lawn. What you can see over here is the other view from the poolside cafe and the mini boxing ring and the gymnasium, fitness center, the dining restaurant, and so much more. Now, these were the amenities on the amenity floor. That's on the 11th floor. But they also have rooftop amenities, that is a lounge and also an open gymnasium on the 46th floor. Now, let me tell you something more, that the apartments that are going to be above the 36th floor are going to be balcony apartments. लेकिन इन apartments को अंदर से देखना भी तो ज़रूरी है. Stay with me and follow me into the apartment. So the 4 BHK layout varies from 1327 to 1378 square feet. The 3 BHK variant is from 899 to 1152 square feet. And you can see the layout. ये तो आपने देख लिया 3 BHK and 4 BHK. It's time for me to now show you the 2 BHK apartment, and the variants range from 661 to 683 square feet. Let's go and check out their sample flat. I have already seen the 2 BHK and right we are over here so that we can see it together. Let's come inside the house. This is the living room. Before that, let's first of all check out the entrance. Now, this is the entrance of the house, and entrance bay is your kitchen. Now, here is the kitchen that comes with these 2 opposite raised granite slabs. At one end is your vegetable sink and at one end is your gas table. They've also provided a window with an exhaust so that you have good ventilation and also perfect lighting in the kitchen all the times. Let's proceed towards the living area. And here is the best part. I told you, I promised you there are going to be balconies with the best of views of the city and the national park. Here is the view. Here is your balcony that comes with this amazingly tall toughened glass railing. This is approximately 5 feet of height that gives it the ultimate security. Also, the balcony comes covered from 3 sides, and the flooring also has been given in a different manner so that it stays anti-skid. Now with the balcony, I'm sure by now you realize why it is called Green Airy. And now it's time for me to show you the apartment from inside once again. We've seen the kitchen, we've seen the living, this is your dining area, and let's proceed into the bedrooms now. In this aisle over here, the first is the kids' bedroom. Let's take a look at it. Here is the kids' bedroom that also comes with an attached toilet and wash right over here. And if you also notice the flooring, the tiles, everything has changed. And it also is an anti-skid flooring, anti-skid tiles, and the CP sanitary fittings are premium and are a part of the standard flat furnishings. And if the balcony view was not enough, here it is time for you to take a look at the window view. Now if you see, this is again a complete glass wall right over here. Half of this remains fixed and half of it opens up into a sliding window, giving you the feel of a standing balcony. Now that we've seen bedroom number 1, let's proceed to the rest of the house. Now it's time to proceed into the master bedroom. This is your master bedroom, and it also comes with the similar kind of a window that we saw in the children's bedroom, and it also has an attached toilet and wash to it. First of all, I'll show you that and then I'll show you the windows. Right over here is the attached toilet and wash for your master bedroom. That is again yet premium because it comes with these granite tiles and also a glass shower partition. All the CP sanitary fittings that you're seeing are a part of the standard flat furnishings. लिविंग रूम की बालकनी, किड्स बेडरूम का विंडो और ये रहा आपके मास्टर बेडरूम का ग्रैंड व्यू. Again with a complete glass wall, half of it being fixed and half of it being sliding, giving you the feel of a standing balcony right over here. This is Chanda Green Airy for you. So if you want to know कि यहाँ पर आप कैसे अपना घर बुक कर सकते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है. नीचे कैप्शन में दिया हुआ है एक लिंक. Once you click on it, you will avail all the benefits, the special benefits that you can get from Property Cloud in case you want to check out a property over here at Chanda Green Airy. Property Cloud and our relationship manager will definitely help you with getting best of the offers in the town. See you here. Thank you.